guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Wanderlust once again. Kumusta naman ang bawat isa? I hope na ang lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, kindly hit subscribe. Isama nyo na rin ang bell button para you are keep updated and notified sa next ating mga videos. So for today's video guys, punta tayo ng Japan. Japan, nasakay lang ng train. Yeah. So, don't miss out this blooming cherry blossom. It is found in Scenic Hill at Tongchong. Actually guys, there are 85 cherry trees na nilagay nila. Ayan, feeling nasa Japan na sakay ka lang ng train, hindi mo na kailangang mamasahe ng eroplano. So, I was there last Sunday. Actually guys, it will last only for 2 weeks. 2 weeks yata. So, if you want to go there, you can go there right away kasi baka pag pumunta kayo doon, wala na siyang bulaklak kasi nga mainit na siya. Kaya, full bloom na yung cherry blossom. Additional din guys, if gusto nyong sumakay ng Ngongting 360 na cable car, pwede rin kasi nga madadaanan nyo, kaya pwede kayong makakuha ng aerial view or aerial shots ng whole area. So ayan, so, diba maganda? Actually, last week talagang maraming tao kasi nga, syempre after that, pag mawala na yung bulaklak, eh, hindi na maganda. Yan guys, oh, so... $85 trees ang nakatanim along the pathway. Tapos meron ding bakod kasi nga bawal, pero they are very considerate naman kasi nga meron silang nilagay separate na 2 trees sa labas wherein na pwede mo siyang hawak-hawakan, pwede kang magpa-picture doon na close up. So, it's worth. If you want to go there, I will just put ano ba yan, yung directions, just check sa description box natin below. So shout out sa inyong lahat dyan guys. Maraming salamat once again. Actually, siningit ko lang ito sa mga videos ko na naka-line up. It's because na para timely naman siya. Baka kasi pag nilagay ko sa huli, pag pumunta kayo doon, eh wala na. So, thank you so much guys. As always, isa lang ang aking iniiwanan sa inyo. Whatever you do in life, make sure that it makes you happy because in life there is no flashback, only rewind. So make the most out of it. Thank you so much guys and see you on the next one. God bless everyone.